Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I've got a question for you. I'd like to get your opinion about this. Do you think that the brokerage you are with really makes a difference? Now, if you're not familiar with me, I coach about 30,000 agents all over the country. So I see all walks of life. I see, agents that are doing really well, and I see agents that are struggling. And generally, the agents that are looking to make a switch to another brokerage, it's a symptom of a bigger problem. And I want to talk just for a minute about that because I think it'll be very revealing for you as a real estate agent. As a matter of fact, I want to invite you to do something incredibly unique here. What I want to invite you to do is to like this video because trust me, this is probably going to be your favorite video as a real estate agent. Now, you can always take it back at the end if you don't think it's the most amazing or revealing, thought-provoking video you've seen, but I think you're going to find this to be incredibly valuable. And here's why I say that. When you think about the fact that most agents are switching to another brokerage, it's always whatever's the newest, latest, greatest thing out. I remember way back in the day in Ohio when Keller Williams first came to a town. Everybody's, oh my gosh, look, we can do profit share and you can make money on the side and that goes forever and then it goes to your kids. How about if you fix your real estate business and stop looking for a side business? Now there's another company out, oh, we do revenue sharing, so you get paid no matter if the company makes money or not, and that goes forever, and there's going to be 7 tiers, and how about if you fix your real estate business and stop looking for side businesses? Here's what I mean. The number one buy-in type person for multi-level marketing, the fruit juices or the vitamins or the products or whatever they are, the number one buyer of that is licensed real estate agents. Those are the people that get involved with true multi-level marketing companies, whatever it is, whether it's Herbalife or whatever, all of those companies where you get paid royalties and you recruit friends and everything else. Real estate agents do that because it's a grass is greener on the other side approach. So think about real estate brokerages for a minute. If you're looking to switch brokerages because they're promising leads or because they're promising other sources of revenue or because you get paid from, whatever services you provide or other companies' affiliated services that you're promoting, the problem you have with that is you're doing that to supplement your income rather than fixing your income. So I've always told agents, you do not have a problem with expenses, you have a problem with income. Stop focusing so much on trying to keep your expenses low. Start focusing on what you can make the biggest impact on, which is your top line. If you can fix your top line, it automatically washes out the bottom line. So there's not many problems a real estate agent has that an extra couple $100,000 a year wouldn't fix. And what would happen then is all of these other grass is greener on the other side approaches that are out there wouldn't be distracting you from what's actually making you money in the first place. So if you think it's more profitable to own a brokerage, it's probably because your agent business isn't very strong. If you think it's more profitable to go to someone that has profit share or revenue share or recruit other team members and get paid from them, or they'll make you the manager, or you can get a team leader fee, or you can sell our fruit juice or whatever, it's because the current business model needs fixed. And rather than you taking responsibility of fixing that, you're looking at other opportunities. So I'll give you an example here that might, an analogy that might make sense for you. I do pretty well in life now. I've had some tough times. I do pretty well, so I eat very well, okay? So we get to go to the nice restaurants and hence the excess double chins that I have. That means I eat an awful lot and I eat very, very well. There are times throughout my life that wasn't the case. So when you look at someone that's starving, they would literally say, oh my gosh, look at that guy over there. He found bugs. We could go get some of his bugs. Maybe we could share worms. He has 2 night crawlers. Maybe he'll eat a worm and I'll eat a worm. Oh my gosh, this tastes so good. I can't believe I'm eating worms, but it tastes so good. That's because you're starving to death. So let's look at your real estate business the same way. There's certain things that when there's plenty of food on the table, you're not going to eat the shit that you don't want to eat. Right? If there's no food on the table, you'll find whatever you can eat, including we may have to eat bugs. You'll literally look, I wonder if this tree or if this plant is edible. I wonder if this is going to kill me. Can I drink this water without dying? Because I'm going to die if I don't drink water. If you're in starvation mode, You're spending every single minute of your day with distractions, emails, webinars, technologies, presentations. You're spending so much time researching other things because you're literally starving. You're looking at, man, I know it might be bugs, but at least it'll keep me alive for a while. What if you could actually eat well? What if, as a real estate agent, you didn't have to mess with all of that stuff and start looking around at other opportunities, whatever it be? And listen, I'm a coach, seriously, about coaching. What about that coach? What about that coach? What about that lead generation? I wonder if I should go to that brokerage. I wonder if that brokerage would provide something for me. Listen, every single brokerage in the country has top producers. They were top producers before they went there. That same brokerage has losers that aren't selling much. They were losers before they got there. Let me tell you now, what are some of the bigger name luxury companies like Sotheby's? Most people know Sotheby's. Very respectable company, by the way. I have nothing good or bad to say about them. But trust me when I tell you, they have very good top producers making tons of money, and they have losers that aren't selling anything, and they are absolutely starving to death. So the brokerage means nothing. The leads distributed evenly means nothing. You have to fix your real estate business. It's your responsibility to fix your business. You're a small business owner, regardless of the brokerage you're with. So it is not going to help you to go to another brokerage. The other opportunities they're providing for you, well, maybe you can do some training classes for us, or maybe we have some profit share that would be good for you, or maybe if you recruit other people, who are you going to recruit? Who's going to listen to you with the way your business looks right now? You're not going to recruit any top, they're not going to listen to you if that's how your business looks right now. Why don't we fix you? Why don't we fix your real estate business and get you to a position that you're a top producer on your own? You're making great money, so much so that you can turn away other opportunities. You can turn away the other income possibilities that are out there. Going to meetings to learn about, how you can make money because every friend has two friends and they have two friends and they have two friends. And if you think over time what that's going to do, what are we selling? Life insurance here? We're selling real estate. Stop looking at grass is greener on the other side approaches. You need to fix your real estate business and accept responsibility for that business that you own. I think you'll find that as you get good at this and you start realizing, okay, it's up to me, regardless of the brokerage I'm with, it's up to me to generate leads and have a really good offer to convert those leads. If I can't figure that part out, it doesn't matter if I switch. What are they? Another brokerage is going to give you leads and you suck at the leads. You can't get them on the phone. When you get them on the phone, they blow you off, as everybody does, right? Or we're not interested, we're not in a big hurry. That's because your offer sucks, right? That's in the singles bar, that's what they say to the ugly dude every single time, right? Oh, I'm not interested. Well, what'd you get all dressed up and come out here for? No, you're just not interested in me. The same is true for the real estate lead generation that you're doing right now. If they're leaving their name, email, address, and phone number on a website, they are serious. But your offer sucks. And your offer is going to suck no matter what brokerage you go to. The brokerage that holds your license means absolutely nothing. What you do every day, including tomorrow morning when you wake up, what you do every single day is what's going to make the difference between you being successful and not being successful. And if you don't accept responsibility for that, you're going to start looking at other income generating opportunities, right? You're going to start looking at, maybe I should join that brokerage because I can earn money over here and that's going to supplement. It's not supplementing anything. It's not going to do any good whatsoever. So I would encourage you, everybody that's watching this, I want you to fix your real estate business and stop looking at grass is greener on the other side approaches. You need to understand how to structure an offer in today's market, where Zillow is on our tail, where Realtor.com is on our tail, where the internet is trying to take us over. You'd better have a good offer to have a magnetic response from all of your buyers. They should have a rabid response to you that they want to work with you, buyers and sellers. And there has to be a compelling offer that you beat the competition. Otherwise, you're beat by the 5%ers or the 4%ers or whatever it is, those discount brokerage services out there. There's no shortage of them there. So take responsibility for that. I am doing this coming Wednesday. I am doing a live webinar training. It's going to be broadcasted at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 Pacific. I think it would help you tremendously. You ought to check it out. If you go to closingseverymonth.com, you'll get some details about that. And listen, I don't care what brokerage you're with. If you're considering maybe switching to another brokerage, here's my advice. Don't do it. I don't care what the split is. I don't care what the fees are. The reason you want a better split is because your income sucks, okay? That's the reason you want a better split. A brokerage would be fine with 0.25% per year if I were selling millions and millions and millions of dollars in commissions, right? Fix that part. You don't have a problem with expenses. You have a problem with income. I'm going to show you on Wednesday's training. Again, check it out at closingseverymonth.com. I'm going to show you how to increase your business so you don't have to make another silly move. So you don't have to tell everybody that you jumped ship again and you went over to another brokerage and all the great reasons that you're so excited you went over there. That's the same thing that happened to the 80% of their agents that don't sell squat. Those 80% were excited when they went there too. And then they went back and they said, oh, well, that was a mistake. I shouldn't have went there. And now I'm back to this. Look, fix your real estate business. No brokerage will do that for you. It is your responsibility. You can't go to a brokerage that has training classes every single day, but it's trained by agents that suck. The agent sold like 2 houses last month and he's going to teach other people how to do it. Bad idea, right? That just because there's training doesn't mean you should listen. There's ample training online that you probably shouldn't listen to. You're a knowledgeable person. You know what you want to do with your business, and it might be unique from everybody else out there. So use some empirical data. Use your head to decide, is this something that makes sense for me or not? If this type of stuff is helpful for you, make sure you like the video here. Follow our page as well. I always try to provide as much content as possible, and most importantly, get you thinking the right way. That way, you'll act in the right manner as well. So join us at closingseverymonth.com. If you want some more details about us and what we do, you can go to gregluthercoaching.com. You'll find a little bit of information there. I don't do much on the selling side. I think you can buy a book for $6, but I don't do a lot on the selling side there. I'm a coach. I don't have to worry about selling lots of people. We already got tons and tons of agents doing very well. I want you to do the same, but it's going to come. For you to make good decisions, a lot of times you have to avoid making the bad decisions for those opportunities to come in front of you. Would you agree with that? So you don't want a 4-month setback because you changed brokerages. That change is not worth it. You need to change what you're doing every single day. So thanks so much for joining us. Those of you that join live, I love it when you comment here. Just say, hey, I'm here, or here's where I'm from. Or if anybody's got referrals for Denver, Colorado, that's where I'm from. We find an awful lot of referrals here on our source as well. So promote yourself. I don't have a problem with that. I want you to make money. So Susan, thanks for joining us here today. Tiana, thanks so much for joining us here today as well. I love to hear from everybody and see the feedback from you guys. You know, what's working well for you, what's not working well for you. That video I posted of that ad example where agents are running ads for free, go look at it. There's screenshots of agents getting 30 and 40 leads a day from totally free ads. So thanks so much for joining us here. Thanks, Patricia, as well. And we'll plan on talking to everybody soon. Get joined up for Wednesday's training. It's totally free. You can go to closingseverymonth.com. Grab your spot for that. That includes you, Deborah. Would love to see you on there. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Make it a profitable week, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.